Hey guys, I'm EJ.
And I'm Kalin, and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be shooting our intro video, and we're going to bring you guys along to show you guys the behind the scenes.
So come along for the ride.
He's going to open the door for me because I don't open doors. Oh, we're doing action right away. Shit, I didn't even put work. Hey! Up. Say what's up. Alrighty guys, so that is our intro video. So let us know what you guys think down below.
Thank you for coming along with us, and now we'll bring you along to the next part.
Guess where we are?
So,
It's a date night.
late afternoon.
Look what I brought. Let's see.
Oh! You wanna try again?
Okay. Guys, we forgot the camera, so I'm in cinematic mode.
IKEA has a game room fan?
Sorry. Drone Jones. You're blocking the light. You're too tall. Tof nibbin. Simofnisk. Right here. Go ahead, Macho Man. I'll move the cart for you at least. When you come to IKEA, you gotta get these two essentials.
No wonder, bro.
So I usually hurt myself in these situations, so. Perfectly fit perfectly? Oh! Hey! Hey! Marvelous!
How do you feel?
Great.
Blackbird, but it's not even black.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, ready? I'm gonna get it. Yeah. Hey guys, so I bought this little mushroom lamp, but I didn't realize you have to buy a light bulb. I thought it came with it, so. Alrighty guys, my desk area is all done. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Alright guys, so right now we're going to be doing a little bit of a snowman competition. So stay tuned, we're going to be building it and we're going to see who wins, and you guys are the judges. So watch us. Wow. Yeah, yours go, yeah? Are you tripping? You can't put me down.
You just did.
Oh. We don't have any carrots, and all the rocks are covered by the snow. We also have no trees near us. There is, but it's a little far. So we're gonna substitute it today. So for the nose, I got cucumbers. For the eyes and the mouth, guys, we're gonna do
What are those?
peppercorns.
Peppercorns?
Yeah. So we're gonna use these. It works.
That's so funny.
It works. Please don't judge us. We had very minimal stuff to work with. So are you guys ready?
It's not like the ones in the cartoons that you see all perfect.
So are we showing mine or yours first?
Show yours.
Mine is this little fella. Mine is this little fella, guys. And EJ's No way.
He looks like a dog.
No way yours looks like that.
Round 1, fight! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! His name is John C.
So that is it for today.
Yup. Comment down below which snowman you like better. Obviously mine. Nah, it's mine. Stop that. Nah, it's mine.